Today I'm going to show you how to do a pop 180 hook for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a pop 180 hook, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your swing 180 round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. So when you start this move, you're going to be starting in a frontside stance looking forward at your target. You're going to jump off both feet at the same time, start to turn your body and spot your target, then throw your hook kick and land in a backside stance. Now it is kind of hard to spot your target on hook kicks all the time, so just try your best to do that. Now don't forget to work on this with a follow through at the end. You can also add a spin in front of it to gather a little bit more momentum, and you can also do a spin and follow through together. And I do recommend you get used to all of these because we are going to be doing them later on in combos. Now let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. The first progression is going to be a pop hook, so just jumping up in a backside stance, landing back down, and then throwing your hook kick. And the second progression is going to be a pop zero hook. So same thing as a pop hook, but you're going to actually be throwing your kick while you're in the air. And now all we're doing is we're switching from a backside stance to a frontside stance and adding a 180-degree rotation to our pop zero hook. And that's your pop 180 hook right there. Also, when you do this move, make sure that you're pushing through the balls of your feet when you jump, and make sure you're trying to land on the balls of your feet when you land. And as always, try your best to spot your target, but I know it is a little bit difficult for hook kicks to do, so just try your best. Let's check those out one more time. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me to have you guys supporting this and me and everything. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be going over a swing 180 hook, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing. Upraiz die.